Welcome to Pomelo DIY! Cold winter months are the most difficult for birds as their food sources are scarce. Today we'll help them out and make fat ball feeders with seeds and lard. Feeding birds is a great winter activity to do with the kids, and it helps them to get closer to nature. And squishing and squeezing seeds and lard is a great sensory play for the little hands. How did you like our video? Let us know. We're waiting for your pictures. See you in Pomelo again!